Hello and welcome to Kalyan's Dental Care Center. I am Dr. Anita Narayanan, and for over 25 years, along with my husband Dr. K. Narayanan, we have been providing comprehensive dental care to our community. Over the years, our goal has been very simple: to provide trustworthy, ethical, comfortable, and need-based dental care for every patient who walks into our clinic. At Kalyan's Dental Care Center, we believe that a healthy smile is not just for your teeth, it is vital for your overall health and confidence. Our clinic is designed to provide a modern, hygienic, and safe dental environment for our patients. We use state-of-the-art dental equipment and updated treatment protocols to ensure that every treatment is precise, safe, and comfortable. Maintaining strict hygiene and sterilization protocols is extremely important to us. Most importantly, we follow a patient-friendly approach. We take time to understand each patient's medical conditions, their concerns, and then explain the various treatment options. Our team of experienced dental professionals are committed to providing gentle and personalized dental care. At Kalyan's Dental Care Center, we provide a wide range of dental services to help patients maintain healthy teeth and gums. These include routine dental checkups, regular cleaning, preventive dental care, and treatment for both tooth decay and gum diseases. We also provide teeth restorations, crowns, bridges, dentures, and dental implants for patients who want to restore their damaged teeth. For patients who want to improve their overall smile, we provide cosmetic dental treatment which enhances both their appearance and function. Our goal has always been to preserve natural teeth whenever possible and restore their oral health in the most comfortable way. One important area of focus in our clinic is the older adults or the senior citizens. In our many years of practice, we've noticed that a large number of patients are elderly individuals who require specialized care. Dental treatment for these seniors needs special consideration because many patients have got existing conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and other health concerns. At Kalyan's Dental Care Center, we carefully plan treatment keeping all these factors in mind. Our clinic environment and treatment approach are all designed to make it very comfortable for the patient, very supportive for the older adults, helping them receive the dental care that they need with utmost comfort and confidence. Patients choose Kalyan's Dental Care Center because of our experience, patient-focused approach, and commitment to quality care. With close to 25 years of clinical experience, we focus not just on treating the dental problem, but on building a long-term trust with the patient. We believe every patient deserves care that is respectful, transparent, and tailored to their individual needs. We also believe that patient awareness is a very important part of dental health. Through education and regular dental checkup, many dental problems can be prevented and treated early. We encourage our patients of all age groups, especially the older adults and their families, to consider dental health and dental awareness as a very important part of overall well-being and overall health. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Kalyan's Dental Care Center. Looking forward to helping you in maintaining healthy smiles for many years to come.